as can be.
Is anybody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh, my God.
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
Nah, when you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, relax and go with it, darling. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at the branches. I'm a